Ever wondered how to check if a company is a scam? It's crucial to verify the legitimacy of a business before making any commitments, especially in the import-export industry. The risks of fraudulent companies are real and damaging. With some careful steps, you can protect yourself from falling into a scam. First, arm yourself with the company's full name. Now, let's venture into the vast world of Google. Type the company's name into the search bar, followed by the word spam. Press enter and sift through the results. Do the same with the word fraud. Press enter and sift through the results. This simple search can reveal a wealth of information about the company's reputation. Unearth any unsavory dealings? Red flags should be flying high. But if the coast looks clear, that's a strong start. Google is an excellent first step to check a company's reputation. Next, delve into the company's website. It's crucial to check the Contact US page for a physical address and phone number. Why? Because these are the lifelines of a genuine business. Use Google Maps to verify the provided address. Is it a real location or just an empty plot? Then, give that phone number a ring. Do you hear a professional voice on the other end or a disinterested individual? Remember, a legitimate company will have verifiable contact details. Lastly, check the company's website registration data. This information can be crucial in uncovering the company's true colors. To find out who a website is registered to, you can use a WHOIS lookup service. Just enter the domain name and voila, you'll have the owner's details at your fingertips. But remember, a legitimate company would typically register its website in its own name. If you find something fishy, like a different name or obscured information, tread carefully. The website's registration data can reveal a lot about a company. Let's recap the steps to check if a company is a scam. Begin with a thorough Google search, then dive into the company's website, verifying physical location, contact details, and content quality. Finally, scrutinize their registration data. With these steps, you can better protect yourself from scam companies in your import-export business.